Alright, so let's start. Let's draw a straight line down like this.
Bags. A pencil.
Alright, so go ahead.
But wait.
Okay.
Your own is straighter, my own is bigger.
It's okay. Just come here. The same line and draw another straight line. Is a bag. No, you are drawing a bag. This bottom together. No, we are drawing a bag.
This time I'm going to make it smooth.
Yeah, make it smooth. Awesome. And also join the top here.
Join the top here.
Yeah, join them together.
Make a little triangle. Just little how the size is.
Awesome. Then you know a bag has a handle, so let's give it a handle like this.
Yeah, it's like a case.
Yeah,
it's like a
and
case.
make it thick.
It looks like a case you put stuff inside.
Yeah, make it thick. As if you shaded it. It will be thick.
This thick, like this.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's awesome. All right. So here, are you with me?
Yes.
So here, make some like a V, like this. A V shape.
Why is it like that?
I say V shape. But it's okay. Just leave it like that. Then draw it down. From this point, you draw it down. Okay, go ahead.
2, 3.
Then make some like a V, not V this time, but a V but upside down.
Like that?
And join it to this end, like a V, and join it to this point. Awesome. All right. So let's draw off the line here to come here again. Straight line, and then make like a V shape like this. Awesome. Okay, and then let's give the second handle. Just making a shape like this. Is the second handle. And stop there. Good. You can also make it thick a bit.
Because I don't want my round thick.
It's alright. If you don't want, it's fine.
Now
Awesome. Let's give it
a heart.
Let's give it a
Heart.
let's draw a heart here.
I said hearts. Look.
Okay, sorry. Let's draw a heart shape.
I
hope it's big. Okay,
draw
it's
tiny
okay.
hearts.
Okay, it's okay. Go ahead and draw if you want to draw inside.
It's a tiny
You can draw outside, more heart outside if you want. Then let's give it let's draw eyes. So let's give it big eyes. Draw big eyes. Round circle, 2 circles. Okay, and here just draw this and shade it, color it black. Okay, and give it eyelashes. Maybe 3 of it.
Can we put 4?
If you want to put 4, it's okay. Alright, that's so fun. Alright, and just make some like a nose.
Do you know how
It's
many
little,
eyelashes
a little like this, like a little U shape like this.
It's like a mouth.
Okay,
It's
that's
like a
fine.
mouth. Look, it's like a mouth.
Yeah, no, that's the nose. The heart is the mouth. Let's draw a heart. Can draw more love. Sign here
Teeth and
if you
no.
want. But you've done more. You've done some inside already. Okay, that's fine. So can we color it now?
Yes. Lava.
This is so fine. So your shopping bag is so fine.
Is it because of the love?
Yeah, but the love is there. It's fine. Okay, can we color the love
Pink,
red?
pink. Lots of pink.
So we're going to color the bag pink. So let's color the hearts red.
I know.
So that they'll have 2 different colors.
But we can color different ones, pink and purple. Do you like that?
Yeah, that's okay. That's also good.
We can color it purple.
Okay, if you want, we can color the bag purple.
But we can color the hearts different colors.
The other heart, yes, you can give the other heart different colors. But if we're using purple for the bag, then don't use purple to color the other heart. You can use pink.
This one we're gonna use for the bag.
Yes. Okay, go ahead.
What?
All right. Okay, so color the other heart so that we can color the bag itself. Awesome. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, so can you get your purple now? Let's color the bag purple. All right, let's go.
After we're done with this, it will look beautiful.
Yeah, it was so beautiful.
But mommy is not gonna let us leave it at home. if we leave all the pictures at home, everywhere will be picture.
Okay, yeah, we're going to throw them away.
Yeah, because if we don't throw them away, everywhere will be picture.
Yeah, all your drawings are everywhere.
Yeah, and it'll be everywhere. And
Don't worry, we're not going to throw them away. We're going to keep them. That is going to keep them very well for you. Okay? We're going to put them in a box.
But mommy's gonna say put them in the bin.
No.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So I'm not going to put them anywhere but in a box. I'm going to put them in a box, okay? Alright. How's it going? I hope you're almost done. That is almost done.
I'm done.
Are you done?
Yes. No, I'm
Awesome.
done.
So
You
fast.
did it. I can dance.
Summer is so fast.
I can dance.
So you need to get the gray so we can color the inside of the bag. Gray here inside of this place. Color it gray.
Is it this one?
Yep.
Okay. Is it this place too?
No, that place is pink. It's purple. You didn't color it purple. That means you're not done. See that they've colored this on purple.
Yeah.
So you have to color the purple. Use your purple and color there.
Not purple again.
Yeah, because you didn't do it before.
But I thought you did not do purple on this
I
side.
did it. Sorry, you didn't know.
Okay.
Alright, this is so fine. Wow. Summer, your shopping bag is so fine. High five. Alright, friends, I hope you're able to draw along with us. Awesome, this is so fine. Please, Summer, what do you tell your friends?
Subscribe now and see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, friends, do subscribe to our channel so that you always get our videos whenever we post them. And also, see you in our next video. Bye.